1.57. Everybody ready? On your mark, get set, go. Oh, tough start there. Barry's got it. Woo! Go, around that corner.
He is setting a pace right there.
Oh my gosh.
Round the last curve.
Wow.
Oh, losing control of the track there. Oh no! Angelo Valdez, you're next.